What's up, YouTube? I got another unboxing for you. Might get pretty loud because I got my little niece here. She's a little baby. Huh. Anyways, this is from, I think it's Fast Tech. We'll see right now. I'm pretty sure it's Fast Tech though. This should be some vape mail. So I'm excited about that. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand though.
I know.
Just tear this sucker up. Show him who's boss. Dang, it still didn't read. Oh no, this is from Chinabuye. Chinabuye.com. Chinabuye. They were quick today, huh, Isabel? I wasn't expecting this one. I would have expected the Fast Tech web to get here first. But then I did order this one like a month before. Or like 2 weeks before. I'm still missing one thing. What the fuck? Unless they put it inside, but if they did, that's pretty wet. So this is an Eagle kit, 900 milliamp. It's supposed to be purple. Why they gotta put tape on everything? Like, fuck, man. Motherfuckers, like, shit. I hate tape. Makes it look all ugly. Alright, so we got that bad boy. Nice, they put another fucking tape. Excuse my French. Stupid Chinabuye. This is hard with one hand. See if it pulls. Pull on it very quick. There we go. Wow, look, they put it in here. This is something else. This does not come with the kit. This I bought separate. This is the GS vcore version 2.0. So the vcore v2. This is an Eagle kit. It's purple. I know it does look blue though, but it's supposed to be purple. It does look pretty purple though. It's like a mixture of blue and purple.
Indigo.
Oh my god, you're gonna get technical with the color. You're fucking up my YouTube video, alright?
No.
I asked for quietness. And they're bumping it. Like, when can you make a YouTube video nowadays, people? People making so much noise. It sort of looks like a purple at a certain angle, and then it looks blue and so this is supposed to come with two. It's an Eagle T. It comes with 2 batteries, 2 atomizers, and I guess they throw in some of those bad boys. The Euro to USA plug. And then the charger, of course. So it's just a complete kit. It's not that bad. I mean, it was like 20 something dollars, like 22. It's not bad. Alright, and then the vcore. Let me see if I can open this with one hand. There's a little tab right there. Come on, muscles.
Why don't you use the scissors?
Fine, use the skizzers.
Fucking tab doesn't work.
I know. Alright, so
Oh shit. Yeah.
this is
Oops,
the
fail.
vcore version 2. You can't really tell, but there you go. vcore 2.0. So it's supposed to be like a wannabe super clone of a 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 VV-Nova, I guess. The only difference is that you can take these apart. So, I mean, I'll do another video on that later. This is just a quick unboxing. Focus.
Oh shit. Oopsies.
vcore
It feel.
2.0. Alright, see y'all later, YouTube.